Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you're not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on our GBPJPY for the week. So, let's start with our daily time frame and we will zoom it out. We clearly can see that we are having a single one moment, which is an uptrend move. So, we can clearly see that we are on an uptrend move. So, for quick analysis, we will see this to be higher low, higher high here, higher low. Take a look at this here. This is our higher high, right? Which took out this previous high. Now here comes the higher low. So our next movement on GBPJPY is simple, a new higher high. So that is what we'll be expecting this week on GBPJPY. We should be expecting a bullish move this week on GBPJPY. This is an uptrend move we will be expecting. Now, if you take a look at this, there is a support level here, which we can see as to a demand zone. Markets came here, rejected, bounced up, came back to retest it, it bounced up, came out, give us a false breakout. This is a false breakout, but I wanted you guys to know. Now we will be expecting market to actually bounce up again. So possibly we will tap a level of 203. That is our next movement on GBPJPY. Once that's a level of 203, I believe it will break above it and go to a level of 204. My ultimate level for the week on GBPJPY will be 205. Possibly we might get there in 2 weeks' time. If we don't get to 205 this week that we are projecting for, then the upper week we should be able to get this. So the bullish move is what we'll be expecting this week on GBPJPY.